this trailer mainly had this. Did this have a lot of the house stuff in it too?
All of my stuff.
So this had Amy's stuff and tools and. Amy, did you have furniture in here too? Mhm. What is that too? The old Singer sewing machine, treble sewing machine, heirloom sewing machine in our family right here. So this would have been my great-grandmother's sewing machine. The sewing machine that I learned. So that would have been my great-great-grandmother's sewing machine. On my mother's dad's side. The McLean side. That I learned to sew on as a teenager. Gone. It's starting to rain. You guys feel it? Amy, are you finding anything of yours that you've been able to save?